Brunch today, chorizo, tomatoes, avo, feta, scrambled eggs, sourdough. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh yeah, sriracha. It's a bit chilly. Hi guys, welcome to the start of a new weekly vlog. What is going on with this lighting? It is Saturday. I am making us a cup of tea and we're about to watch Glow Up on BBC, the makeup reality TV series, which is my fave. Feels weird vlogging as normal this week, but needs to keep making content for you guys. I always forget what tea bag is what.
Same.
Always.
I put sugar in one of the cups yesterday and I forgot which one I put sugar in, so I made myself another cup of tea. So I thought I'd put it in mine and then put more sugar in yours. But then I thought you might have like a really super sweet tea. Did you have a really sweet tea yesterday?
I had a tea yesterday that didn't have any sugar in it.
Didn't have any in it? That was...
Today so far we made brunch. G helped me take some Instagram pics. We just read our book on the sofa, had a nice lay-in, which was very neat. Oh, I think I put milk in the wrong one. No, I haven't. And now we're gonna watch, yeah, I've already said that. What am I talking about? We just finished watching Glow Up. The challenge was a graphic eye, which I think we might do later. I'm gonna do workout now with my friend. Got my water, got my gym gear on. Let's do this. My workout was good. It was hard though. I'm gonna ache tomorrow. I can't wait to show you guys what we're cooking tonight. We found this recipe in our favourite cookbook, which we haven't tried before. And yeah, it looks fancy. Peachy pork chops. That's my name. Don't wear it out. Peachy pork chops. Pork chops, peaches, garlic, rosemary, and bourbon. We haven't got normal... Is it bourbon or bourbon?
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 We haven't got normal ones, so we're using the honey one, which I think will just be amazing. Yeah, this is our fave cookbook. I've talked about this loads. Jamie Oliver's 5 ingredients. We're also making this on Monday or Tuesday, sticky lamb chops. How good does that look? With oranges. Yummy. Mega thunder and lightning storm going on. It is piercing it down. I've just made the biggest salad and we're getting the bulk on now. Oh my god! I love a thunderstorm. The sound of rain, I swear, is the nicest sound. I want there to be some lightning. Imagine if it hit my camera in the face. Is this summer?
Oh no, this is a full night
Yes. This is a silly idea, but we're about to set the pork chops on fire.
Yeah. Just like lights.
We missed that opportune moment, but it's got to be great, I'm sure.
Right, so we're ready to dish.
Yeah. Look at this fancy dinner. Peaches, veg, pork chops, and a huge salad. Wow, look at me. We just watched 13th on Netflix, which was one of the documentaries in those resources of content to watch if you want to learn more about Black Lives Matter. Yeah, it was insane. I learned so much, more than I ever did, about American history at school. It was emotional, very important. Everyone should watch it. I'll leave the name of it down below just in case you didn't catch that. But I'm wearing waterproof mascara and it stayed on pretty well. I just dug out the emergency hobnobs because it's that kind of night, and having a cup of tea. I might be the only person in the world who's never made popcorn at home, but we're making popcorn at home. Hey guys, it is Monday at lunchtime. I'm just sitting down at the dining room table to eat my sandwich, which is ham, pickles. Is it pickles or gherkins? What do you call it? They're the same thing, aren't they? Mustard, salad, tomato. I've never got through a jar of pickles before in my life, but we're nearly through our second jar this lockdown. It's my new fave thing. Ooh. I got a new Audible credit today, so I've just purchased this audiobook and I'm looking forward to starting reading it. The work day is over and we're coming for a walk. This is our first walk in a while, and I haven't vlogged. I feel like I haven't vlogged in ages. Yeah, I haven't been feeling that motivated or inspired with work recently, but I'm hoping to get my mojo back soon. Today in the mini library there are 2 Dracula vampire books. We have walked to St Catherine's Dock. No wait, St Catherine Docks. I always get it wrong. Every time we walk around here we're like, should we just buy a houseboat? Should we just up and move onto a boat? It's tempting, isn't it?
I really like the idea. I'm too tall for it. But...
yeah, you'd get bad neck. Best view of London, this. Flower appreciation moment. Look at these little pansies. They look so happy. Their little faces just look so chuffed. Yeah, this one's ours, we decided. I like the colour and look how cute it looks in here. Little dining room looking out over the water. Very, very picturesque. It felt like we were on that walk for 5 minutes, but it was actually an hour and a half.
Was it?
Yeah. We left at 4:30, and now it's 6. That walk used to seem so long, but we've done it so many times now that it feels, yeah, really quick and easy. This is our dinner tonight. Sticky lamb chops, 5 ingredients: lamb, carrots, garlic, oranges and thyme, and it's gonna look like this. The lamb we got was slightly different, but it looks amazing. This is our lamb. Well spenny, 10 quid for this, better be good. We are gonna have to cut it, aren't we? Because it looks supposed to look like that. Just thought I'd update you guys on our avocado plant. This is Stephen 2.0. Look at him. I literally planted him 2 weeks ago, 2 vlogs ago. I'll leave that down below. Look how big he's got since. He looks amazing. So many new leaves. He looks very, very happy. This looks restaurant standard. We are so proud of ourselves with this. Hope it tastes good. Just made some popcorn.
Bring it over.
I need to tell them about the sauce I made. No. I used maple syrup, a little bit of vanilla bean paste, cinnamon, poured it over, used this cinnamon sugar as well. Didn't make enough sauce. We're supposed to use a half a cup of maple syrup and I probably used like a quarter. Hey guys, it is Tuesday 10 to 2. It's a bit late to do my makeup, but I'm gonna do it because I've just done a piece of work and I'm not going to be able to do any more on it until tomorrow, so I thought I might as well take some Instagram pictures or something. I ordered a bed sheet off Amazon, a white one. Lots of people have been doing shoots with bed sheets recently, so I decided that I'm going to jump on that bandwagon and do one myself. How good is this foundation? Like, how quick and easy was that? I'm using the It Cosmetics CC cream, full coverage cream. It's got SPF 50. It's amazing and it's light on my skin, and my skin really likes it. Like, it doesn't react to it, it covers well, it doesn't feel like I'm wearing any heavy makeup, which is good. I'm gonna take some pics instead, do this quick. G has just come back from the shops with the goods. What a perk. How exciting.
No.
Just did a workout and now we've got this awesome salad to eat. Mozzarella, feta, I mean it's quite an unhealthy salad. We've got chicken chorizo, but I'm well up for this. And my fave, capers. How good does this look? Got some banana with some Nutella for dessert. G's put his banana under the grill and covered it in Nutella inside. It's really good. So we've got opposites because I put mine in the freezer for a couple of mins. Yummy. I am going to bed now. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. It's been I think a slightly shorter one than normal, but yeah, I feel a bit more back in the working mojo now. So yeah, hope you enjoy it and I will see you next week.